So for the latest project update on Inspector Gadget, I'm very happy with the base now. And you can remember we started with the original clamp, that's version 1. And it works fine, but it's cumbersome and it's pretty slow. So then I made the second version, which is spring-loaded and a lot more streamlined. And it works good, but the clamping power isn't strong enough. So I thought what I would do is make a clamp that I could thread into this piece, and so I'd have essentially just be able to tighten it down and be a clamp. And so I started working on that, and my first idea was an end like this, that would come down and clamp, and then it would have that thread. And we tried for a bit, and we tried for a bit, and I can't seem to figure out threads very well, so I thought, okay, we'll start over. And then we tried again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and a few more times. Then I tried smaller sizes to see if that would work, and I would like to report that after I broke a few, I finally ended up with one that actually worked. You may note that it doesn't have a threaded end. Instead, I just clamped this end down, and what you do, and I stole this piece off my lawnmower, so don't make too much fun of it, but what I ended up doing was printing this same size shaft, and then I put just some blue painter's masking tape around it to give it instead of too hard and slicked surfaces, this gives it a little something to grab onto. And I put it in there like that, and then I just have to tighten it down, and I can hold stuff. And what's pretty cool is it's pretty tight when you go to hold something. And I can take, like this board here, I can clamp it down, tighten that down, and now it's much more secure than it was. And I'm still working on, I'd like for that to grip better, but it definitely holds much better than version 2, which works great for like hammers and little things like that while I'm hitting on them, but this will clamp a heavier object much better. So we'll see what version 4 looks like.